Today we're going to look at Thunderbolt pose, Vajrasana. This is great for beginners. So let's start. Hi, I'm Al from Yoga Gangeya.co.za, and you are at the right place if you want to heal your body and mind with yoga. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it, and you will be notified as soon as I upload any new videos. And don't forget to catch the tip of the day at the end of this video. Vajrasana. It's important to know how to do Vajrasana and what are the benefits. It doesn't just have great benefits, but it also leads to a lot of other poses in your yoga sequence. For example, Shashank Bhujangasana comes from Vajrasana, and lion pose, and there are many more. So we're going to look at Vajrasana today. Now, if you have severe knee problems, take it easy, or ankle problems. Take it slow in Vajrasana and see what works for you. The benefits are great. It helps with any digestive disorders sitting in Vajrasana. Actually, any problems in the lower area, pelvic area, it strengthens your pelvic muscles. And for guys, sitting in Vajrasana reduces the blood flow to the genitals. So it helps with dilated veins in the testicles. And for the girls, it helps a lot with menstrual disorders. Now, it's great to sit in Vajrasana after you had a big meal and you have some digestive discomfort. Vajrasana also is a preventative exercise for piles and hernias. That is great news, because I know a lot of us struggle with that and it's going to be so uncomfortable. So sitting in Vajrasana often will help you to prevent those injuries, or if you do have them, it will soothe those problems. It is also a great pose for meditation if you struggle with sciatica. Now, let's start and let me show you how to do Vajrasana. It's very simple. If you're in base position, you just swing your legs around. Bring your knees together if you can. If you cannot, you can take them slightly apart. That's okay for now. At the back, you're going to open your heels, but the toes are together, and you're going to sit in between the heels. I'm going to turn so you can see the back. And the front. Now, your spine, you must be careful not to overarch your spine. Just relax it and activate your abdominal muscles, your core. Your hands, relax on the thighs. And you sit and look forward. And breathe slow and gentle. You can close your eyes if you want to. And this is Vajrasana. Now, this is not easy for everyone. If you do a sport like running or cycling or any other exercise and you have very tight thighs, or you have knee problems, or your ankles are very tight, it can be a very strenuous pose for you. So if that happens to you, you can use props to help you stretch your legs. Anything you find around the house, for example, a pillow. You can take a pillow and you can place it And remember, you can open your knees. There you go, to relieve some stretch in the upper thighs. Or you can use anything at home. You can use a yoga block and sit on the block. If it's really strenuous, you can even open the legs, the feet a bit, and then sit on the block. And the toes are not touching, but that's okay because you're in the beginning stages. You just want to get used to being in this kind of position. And you'll feel this stretch here and maybe the ankles and the feet. If you don't have a yoga block, don't worry. Whatever you can find around the house, stack of books, a rolled up towel or blanket will relieve some tension on the thighs. When you get used to this, you can work your knees towards each other. And then lastly, a meditation bench. Again, you don't have to go and buy anything like this. Just see what's around the house. With the meditation bench, you can have the toes together and the knees together. This is very comfortable. There's no pressure on the top of the feet or the ankles. And when you're used to this, you can remove it and you can move towards using a book or rolled up towel until you are comfortable with the stretch. And doing this every day for a few seconds, 10 seconds or so, to get used to that stretch in the thighs and the knees. But be careful with your knees. When you feel it's too much, slowly come out by lowering your buttocks to the one side and straightening your legs into base position. Here you can shake your legs up and down and sideways just to release some of the stretch. Until you feel more comfortable. And then you can go back into Vajrasana by swinging your legs around. Come up to your knees together, or what you can do and place your pillow or your block and open the heels and toes together. Relax the hands on the thighs, spine relaxed, and feel. You can close your eyes if you want to and just observe your body and the natural breath. And this is Vajrasana. Tip of the day. Now, Vajrasana is not easy for everyone, so the tip is sit on the floor more often. When you're at home or wherever you have the opportunity, go sit in your garden if you have a garden and sit on the grass, or watching TV or doing something, play with the kids. Sit on the floor. You don't have to sit in Vajrasana, just get your body used to sitting on the floor. Sitting a lot on chairs creates stiffness in our hips and knees, so sitting on the floor is great for you, for your posture and for stretching your body. And if you can sit in Vajrasana just for a few seconds, then do so, and I promise you your body will get used to it. Now, if this video was informative and you know now what Vajrasana is and what the benefits are for you, give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button, and thank you for watching. Ariom Tat Sat.